Welcome to day 16 of the Etsy Hacks Challenge. In today's hack, I'm going to show you how to create and save a list of competitor sites to monitor and see any historical trends, popularity metrics, traffic sources, referring sites, and so much more. This is a great way to analyze your competitors, especially when doing market research. You might come across a shop that is brand new, making tons of sales, and you say, hey, I could do the same, but not realize that they might have an established website and social media platforms that's helping them get sales. This is why it's so important to check out not only their Etsy shop, but also their online presence to see if this is a niche that will be easy to get traction or it's gonna take time. So let me show you how it works. The tool that we're using today is eRank. And if you're currently not using eRank, I highly recommend it. It's a remarkable tool to help you grow your Etsy business. So I'm gonna leave my referral link in the text box below as well as in the comments area. So once you register an account or log into your existing account, you're gonna go to sites and then scroll down to site lists. This window is gonna auto-populate for you. And in here, you're able to enter up to 10 sites that are your competitors. You can also enter your own site if you want to as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter my domain, nancybadillo.com, and I'm gonna click on lookup. It's gonna give me all of this information for that specific website that I enter. And this is great information when you're doing market research because it's really gonna tell you if this particular website is established, been around for a long time, and now they just decided to sell on Etsy, or if they're just brand new and the particular product that they're selling is trending and that's how they're making a lot of money. So for instance, it's going to give you the site rank. It's going to give you page views per user. It's going to tell you how long they had their website. So mine says since 2014 all the way to now. It's going to give you popularity metrics. It's going to give you users by country, so their top users. It's also going to give you their top traffic sources. This is really important right here because it shows you where they're getting most of their traffic from. So social media for me is 20%. Search is like Google is 36%. Direct is 32%, and referrals is 10%. It's going to give you the top social media traffic sources. So for me, it's YouTube and Pinterest. Those are the two sources that bring the most traffic to my website. Facebook would be the third one. Top referring sites that bring traffic to me. And then top search engines that bring traffic to me. So Google is my number one. Second is brave.com, and then third is Bing. And it also gives you a little bit of their top search keywords as well. But this is great information, especially the historical trends and over here traffic sources, because it's really going to help you when you do market research to determine, okay, so this company is doing really, really well because they have an established brand. Or, okay, I could compete with this person because they don't have an established website or established brand, and their products are trending. Let me know in the comments if you knew about this particular hack, and thanks for watching.